Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to edit your landing page on MailChimp. Landing pages are valuable marketing channels that can benefit any type of business. Whether you want to grow your list through a giveaway or product pre-sale perhaps, or sell more stuff by highlighting special offers or showcasing your newest items, landing pages are a great way to nurture new customers, educate people about your products, and drive conversions. Unlike a website's homepage, which is typically designed to provide a general overview of a business, landing pages help you build customer loyalty and increase profits by focusing on a specific short-term goal. When you set up landing pages for unique campaigns, audiences, events, or promotions, you can provide people with a clear, direct call to action and make it easy for them to buy your products or sign up for your list. Now let us walk you through how to edit your landing page and use the landing page editor of MailChimp. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. What you need to do first is to log into your MailChimp account. Go to www.mailchimp.com. Once you're in, click the Campaigns tab on top. On the previous tutorial, we created a quick landing page. Today, we'll be editing it. So, this is the landing page that we created. Just hover your mouse to the landing page that you wanted to edit and click the edit button on the right that will appear right after you hover your mouse. You'll be editing the design of your landing page. So, scroll down to the fourth item and click Edit Design. So, this is the landing page design that was created yesterday. So please note that there are two areas of the landing page editor: the preview area on the left and the content and design area on the right. This tutorial is more about how to use the landing page editor, but if you want to know some techniques, then you can always email us at team@sellerschoice.digital and we can give you some tips and tricks on how to design one. So, if you wanted to add content on your landing page, then you can just drag the type of content from the content design area to the preview area. You can then edit the content by clicking on it on the preview area and edit the content on the right. You can also delete the content by hovering your mouse to the item on the preview area and click the trash icon that will appear on the right side. Then, click the delete button on the pop-up. You can also hold the Alt key and click the trash icon so this pop-up won't appear. If you want to replace an image, just select the item and click the replace link on the right, then select the image on your library. To replace the background image, just scroll down at the end of the image and click the image icon, then select the image that you want to replace. You can always drag and drop an image from your computer to the library to upload it. When you click the sign up form, you can see additional options on the right. Just select the content that you wanted to be available on the form. You can also go to the style and change the design of your form. If you wanted to add a social share or any social icon, just drag them from the right to the left. You should be able to change the design on the right. Just make sure that you have your social media account set up on MailChimp. Once you're all set with your design, just click the Save and Publish button located at the bottom right of the page. You should get a high five confirmation with confetti. Your changes should apply right away. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.digital and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon! Hey, do you like this e-com content? Sign up for the Sellers Post newsletter for more e-commerce content straight to your inbox, or follow us on social with the links below. Thanks for watching!